Here we go with another 1 minute science. Now what I want to point out to you today is something, again, it's related to your exam technique, and it's chapter 3, which is about chromosomes and mitosis. Now, it may seem silly, but there's a certain way that we need to word things. Let's just recap on the whole interphase part of the cycle. So during interphase, if this was the nucleus, the DNA is all unwound and you can't see it. Chromosomes are not visible. It's only when the DNA is replicated that the chromosomes then shorten and thicken. And that's why we then see them already duplicated as two chromatids stuck together, which we still refer to as one chromosome. Now, the main point of what I want to talk to you about today is that it's the DNA that is replicated during interphase, not the chromosome. So if we say in an exam that the chromosome is replicated, you will not get any marks. What we need to say is that the DNA is replicated, and that then shortens and thickens and turns into the chromatids, which then make the new chromosome.